involved with a personal injury can be both devastating and complicated. Joining us today is Maren Tobler Hansen with Tobler & Associates, who've been practicing in the Valley for over 30 years. Maren, can you tell me, why is it important to have a personal injury attorney?
Sure. A personal injury attorney is an attorney who represents somebody who's been injured or physically hurt. And when you're hurt, it's really important to have an attorney on your side to prevent the big insurance companies from bullying you. We all buy insurance for protection, to take care of us when something tragically goes wrong. And the insurance companies foster this with ads saying that you're in good hands or they're going to be there like a good neighbor. But the minute you're actually hurt, those same insurance companies will use any excuse not to pay you the full amount that you deserve to compensate you for your injuries. So it's important to have an attorney who knows the tricks, who knows the game of the insurance company to fight on your side.
What are other examples of personal injury cases?
Sure. The majority of injuries that we work on are motor vehicle accidents because we're all on the road every single day, so we get hurt in collisions all the time. But the reality is that people get hurt in a lot of different situations and circumstances. For example, we've represented clients whose chairs have collapsed on them, who've had bookcases fall on them, who've had fences fall on them, who've slipped on a floor that should have been cleaned, or there should have been a sign out warning people that there was a spill. So there's all sorts of ways that people get seriously hurt besides just motor vehicle collisions.
When someone comes in, what are the things you do to evaluate if they're going to be a client or not?
Well, the first thing we take a look at is, are they hurt? You don't need a personal injury attorney if you're not hurt. We represent people who've suffered injury, who have medical expenses, who have ongoing care. The second thing we look for is, did somebody else or something else cause the injury? And the third thing we look for is, there a source of recovery, somebody that we can go after to get you the compensation that you deserve.
Thank you, Maren, for joining us and explaining why it's so important to call an experienced personal injury attorney right away.
When you've been injured, you need a team of experienced attorneys on your side.
Our family's been fighting for your family for over 30 years.
Tobler & Associates,
Your accident and injury team.
If you've been injured in an accident, don't hesitate. Call today. Tobler & Associates, 480-898-9700, or visit www.toblerlaw.com.